Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to achieve this flawless stitch braids. If you're a beginner and you're struggling with how to make stitch braids, you have been finding it difficult all this while trying to figure out how to make stitch braids, this video is for you. I'm going to take you step by step on how to achieve this beautiful look. First thing first, your styling gel. The texture of the hair will determine the styling gel you will use. I will leave in the description a detailed video of the product I use depending on the texture of the hair. Okay, so today we'll be making my friend's hair, okay? And at this point, I'm parting her hair into two. The front part of her hair, I'm going to part it into two. And on each side, I want to have three stitch braids. Okay, so getting your stitch braid starts from the styling gel you use. Okay, that's the beginning of your stitch braids. Okay, just like I said, the texture of the hair will determine the styling gel you will use. And the next step is your pattern. When you are parting the hair, make sure your hand is straight and stable. Okay, and I will advise you to have a pattern. Depending on how many braids you want to achieve, I would advise you to have a pattern. That is not your final pattern, but have a pattern, have an idea of how and where you want each braid to be. Okay. And you can see this is my pattern, and I'm at this point, I'm defining the pattern, that is the pattern of the hair, so that I can now start braiding. Okay. Pattern is very, very paramount when you want to talk about any hairstyle, not just stitch braids. Any hairstyle you are talking about, pattern is very, very paramount, because when the pattern goes wrong, definitely the hair will not come out beautiful. So I'm going to use this braid to show you a detail, showing you a detailed video on how to achieve stitch braids. You can see, because this braid I want to make is big, I'll be parting it in small portion, applying my styling gel. Remember, your styling gel shouldn't be much. It should just be a moderate, apply it. Once as you're watching the hair, you will know what to apply. Do not apply much. It's better you apply less and later apply more than applying so much and the hair has so many gel. Okay, it's going to affect the stitch braid. And after applying the gel, the next thing is combing. You have to comb and comb and comb. You have to detangle the hair very well. If it's a natural hair like afro hair, make sure you detangle it. You can use heat to detangle it. Any way you know how to detangle hair, make sure the hair is well detangled, because it's going to affect the final look of the braids. You can see here, I'm making sure there is no lump on the hair, that the hair is smooth, because I'll be using my hand to do the stitch braids. Okay, and I think because I've done with hand and with comb, and I think when you are doing with your hand, it's faster. Okay, but and on this video, I'll be showing you how to use your fingers to do the stitch braid. You can see as it is here, I am okay with it, and I will start the stitch braid. You can see I will go ahead to cut small portion at the beginning of the hair, at the edge of the hair, okay, where the baby hair normally is, but we are not doing baby hair. Okay, you can see I will go ahead to divide this into three, and I will start braiding. At this point, just don't move your hand, braid like 2 or 3 times at this point to make the base, like making the knot for the braid. Okay, then we will start stitching. As you watch closely, you can see I will lift the hair up, then I will use my small finger to stitch. Let's go again. Lift the hair up, then use your small finger to stitch. Okay, and I will braid, lift the hair up, then use my small finger to stitch. That's the trick. Try to lift the hair up, then you stitch. Okay, if you can remember this, when you get there, lift the hair up, then stitch. You can see that is basically the way to do your stitch braid so that it will come out beautiful. Remember to make sure your hand is stable. Your hand should be stable and straight. Okay, you can see the stitching is actually showing. The stitching is stitching. Okay, so you can see I'm showing you guys again. As I said, this is a detailed video. I saw some things there that are not good. I use my hand, I use my comb to comb it well, then I will continue stitching. You can see if this hair was not properly detangled, you'll be having issues. And here I just added some extension. Remember, when you want to start adding your extension, a piece of the extension at a time, a piece of the hair you are stitching at a time. Okay, do not go and take many hair to finish very fast. No, take the hair piece by piece, little by little, so that the stitch braid can come out well. Okay, I'm adding another hair, very tiny hair, then I will braid, then I will stitch. You lift the hair up, then you stitch. That is just the trick I want you to go with this video. You lift the hair up, because when you lift the hair up, it will give you the room to see the quantity and the hair you want to take, and it will help you to balance your hand well to be able to stitch the hair well. Okay, so you can see I added more hair, and I will continue to braid, then I will stitch. Okay, very easy. Just save this video to watch it later, put it on repetition so that you will understand, and you practice and practice. Practice makes perfection. Okay, and let me warn you, if you're a beginner, as you're trying to make this hair, your hand is going to ache. Your fingers are going to ache, okay, because you are a beginner. And as you get better, you will see the aching will stop. Okay, but remember, if you braid many hair in a day, it's going to ache. That is just it, okay? But as you are learning, it's going to ache you. You can see I'm using the comb to make sure everything is smooth. Then I will lift it up and I will stitch it. Okay, so that is just the trick to get your stitch braid done. So if you're a beginner and you watch this video to this place and you really learned something, you are satisfied with this hair, please leave us a comment in the comment section. Okay, and like this video, share it with people, share it with your group. Okay, and it will be a blessing to someone out there. You can see the stitching actually came out well, flawless, beautiful, and neat. Okay, all you need is practicing. Watch this video again and again, and here is the final look. Oh my god. This is beautiful, neat, straight, no complaint, and my friend is satisfied and she's happy. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Ciao.